For any homework-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at info@excelhomeworkhelp.com or reach us at www.excelhomeworkhelp.com. VAR, throwing a 6 with the white die. E, throwing a 6 with the white die. A, since we would like to use proportion, I will use table 2B. PR, stillborn and male. Bulmer exercise 10.1. You need to first calculate the probability of throwing 6 on a white die. This is 3932/20,000. 95% of confidence interval. Bulmer exercise 10.2. PR, stillborn and male, 95% confidence interval. B, in female case is PR, stillborn and female, 95% confidence interval. C, what about gender difference? excelhomeworkhelp.com. Hyoscyamine difference x.752.331.58 s 1.7921.23 square root. PR, difference, VAR, difference, 95% confidence interval. Bulmer exercise 10.5. S 1.7921.23 xt equals s slash square root 10 1.323.68 4.06. A, hyoscyamine. excelhomeworkhelp.com. Square root. Bulmer exercise 10.6. Now, you have to obtain confidence interval for standard deviation. In the table, we are only given S and do not know of real or true sigma. We were hinted that S29D.F, which means that sigma 2 will fall into the region of S2 and chi 2.025 S2 with 9 degrees of freedom. S2 is sum of square of mean deviation. That chi 2 is 11 minus 2x. C, it is basically asking you the difference. Note, this is T distribution since it is using S instead sigma. You have to refer to T table. DF equals 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. B, in case of hyoscine. Of square of mean deviation. That chi 2 is 11 minus 2x. The range that satisfies both of 1 and 2, and also standard deviation should not be negative 1.37 less than or equal to sigma less than or equal to 3.65. excelhomeworkhelp.com